Welcome to Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this session, we will talk all about sales teams, how to create them and assign members to these teams. Let's get started. Click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Go into the Sales app, which is the little bar graph icon. Click on Configuration located at the top of the screen and select Sales Teams from the drop-down menu. Here we have all the sales teams that have been created in the system, and we can also see who the team leader is if one is assigned. Click on Create to create a new sales team. Give your sales team a name. Below where we input the name, there are 3 very important options we can select according to how this team will behave. Check on the box next to Proposal if you send your quotes to your customers rather than just confirm the orders right away. Check on the box next to Pipeline if you want to manage a pre-sale process with your qualified leads. Check on the box next to Leads if you want to filter and qualify incoming leads before converting them into opportunities. If you select Pipeline and/or Leads, 2 additional email fields will appear. One to set an email alias like jobs for the type of emails you want to capture, and a second one where you can filter who you receive emails from. There are several options. Next, we can assign the team leader, and in the field next to CRM lead, we may choose the stage of the sales flow pipeline that we want this team to focus on. We may also assign the targeted revenue for the current month in the field next to invoicing target. Now that we have created a new sales team, click on Add to add members to the team. We will immediately be taken to the complete list of users that already exist in our system. Check on the box next to the ones you want to add to the team, or check on the box next to where it says Name to select all of your users. If you have a lot of users, we have the usual Elite Technique search assistants, which are the search bar, filters, group by, and favorites. If the user doesn't exist in the system, don't worry. You can also create a new user right there on the spot. When you're finished with your selection, just click on Select, and just like that, these users will be added/incorporated to our new sales team. And don't forget to hit Save to complete the process. Another element that confirms that Elite Technique is the true all-in-one fence software. Thank you very much.